My work here is done.
Fire.
Fire burns.
We're getting ready to roast marshmallows. I think that marshmallow is toasted there, Zach.
I think you need to leave that there.
Okay. Like they turn big.
Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot!
I never see that. This fire is crazy.
You know why? Because you don't smell anything. Fire! More solutions.
I'm still trying to toast it.
S'mores are really good, and that light is really bright. 9. Luke has had too many s'mores, so now he's getting his energy out.
What?
He's going crazy.
He's going crazy.
I think we've all got a little bit of the too much energy. Good luck with us sleeping tonight. Well,
Hey, where are you guys going?
here they come around, orbiting the RV.
Your planets of the RV.
And
Can you make those kids skip twice?
the dongs. Hey, dongies. Yep, we just had a breakfast, and now I'm taking the donkeys to go play. Doggies play. Or lay. Going into Lawrence, and I see something odd, so I have to investigate. You see this Uncle Pete train stopped here at the depot, and look at the what he's got in his consist. 2 U.S. Army, and the one in the back It's a GP. Both of them are GPs, but they're pretty old. And the one in the back I know is really old. In really, really good shape. Well, we made it into Lawrence, and they're definitely taking the COVID seriously. Even to the point of like the sidewalks are, I don't know, I guess. Everybody's keeping 6 feet apart. That's good. Things are definitely different here. There's absolutely no indoor seating, and everybody's sitting outside. Coffee. Just taking our time in Lawrence. The idea behind this is you gotta move over for people. It marks out the 6 feet distance. It's not that you walk in it, you have to move over. Social distancing. Downtown Lawrence. How many times have I come down here? And all the restaurants have their impromptu outdoor seating, taking up parking spots. Like this. Such a beautiful day in the neighborhood. One of the things I like to do is walk down these alleys. They're pretty cool. I think a lot of people who've lived here love these alleys. They're great alleys. Love Lawrence. Been coming here since 1990. I think maybe I came here in 1989. But yeah. I don't know how many years that is. But I lived here in 1996 for not a full year, maybe about 6 months. And a lot has changed since that time. It's crazy. And now with the beer flu, it seems like even more change, but I don't know. I worked here in this town in the mid-90s at Sunflower Cable, what was then called Sunflower Cable. They had their own news program. They ran the Lawrence Report. I believe it ran 6 o'clock every night. Not on weekends though. At that time it ran, I believe 6 o'clock. Yeah. And I would have really, even though it was part-time, I worked 6 hours a day, I would have stayed with that job. Because I love living here, I love working there, but you know, you move onwards and upwards, things change. They don't even do the Lawrence Report anymore. I think the company which was a local newspaper here, which is a family-run owned operation. I'm not even sure they exist anymore. Somebody will correct me, I'm sure, if I'm wrong, but yeah, it was probably the job that I loved the most, and I had to leave it because even though at that time, even though you love a job, sometimes things happen in the job that you don't love, and it's always been kind of my work history. If you love the job, there's going to be something there to make the work hard. Let's how do I say it? I love the work, didn't necessarily love the job. But anyway, I need to concentrate on picking up my friend over here and dropped him off so we could get the car. So this is our camp. Yeah, Zach is playing with his birthday present. There it is on the ground.
Simple landing.
Hey. Whoa. Exactly. I tried.
And the old man is asleep. Oh, you just woke up. What's for dinner? And we got cornography. Ian says she picked from the field, but she really didn't. What's wrong, Stella? You being vexed by flies? Huh? Well, get that fly, get that fly. Oh, gotta leave. Dude! What's up, dude? You're not talking to me, are you? Get that fly. This is the first time we've ever put the awning up. Woohoo! Then we got the awning. These were half price, so we got the lights too. And this is our KOA campground in Lawrence, Kansas. Time for vittles. Vittles. Nom nom nom. Attempting to make a fire. We got the fire, and we didn't burn down the awning.
Waiting for you down here.
Want one?
I'm still working on this.
Are you enjoying a s'more, Ken?
Yeah.
Jimmy's sitting on the field. Jimmy's sitting on the fly wrapper.
Jimmy! Taking the dongies for a walk.
In the night.
We are next to the children of the corn.
What are you gonna do? Wait for me to turn the light.
Children of the corn!
But the leaf is
Here we are, KOA, next to US 24, and the airport way over there. And swing over here. My dog's gonna screw me up. And we're next to the children of the corn. Woo! It's moaning. Yeah, it's bright. Breakfast. It's our last day at the campground. Woo-hoo. So I guess this is the hardest part, unpacking. Yeah, and we're making it look worse than it is. Go on, clown. But I believe the kiddos had a good time. There's Luke carrying my pooter bag. Hi, Luke. Yep, did we have fun? She always says that. Yeah, I think they had a good time.